Thanks for stopping by. I have had so many people comment on my Facebook posts about my eggs. I don't know what is so special about them. They look really nice. They're fluffy. But I'm going to show you today exactly how I make my scrambled eggs. I have my pan preheated. It's on about 3.5 or 4, so it's a fairly low heat. Okay. I have a firm fresh egg. Okay. Never refrigerated. I just washed it a few minutes ago. It's, like I say, it's room temperature. That might be where you guys are having the problems with not getting a really fluffy egg, is you may be using refrigerated eggs. So if you don't have a firm fresh egg, then take your eggs out of the refrigerator and let them sit for a little bit. Okay. This is real butter, guys, and I store it. I take it out stick by stick and let it stay at room temperature. Okay. We're going to let that melt, and I'm just going to whip this up. Now, for the purpose of this video, I am not going to season this egg. We can do that when it goes in the on the plate. Put that in there. Now, a lot of people immediately begin to start chopping and stirring and stuff like that. I let it set for just a minute or so, and then I start pushing the egg to the center. As you can see, it's puffing up pretty good as opposed to just chopping it up like the dickens. And then I just flip it over and turn my heat off. Just grab a little paper plate. And folks, you saw that was one egg, okay? And that is all I do to make the nice fluffy looking eggs. Farm fresh, room temperature, preheated pan, butter. Instead of chopping them up, just build them up, pull the egg to the center, flip it, and there you have it. So, I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope it helps you make your eggs more fluffy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Facebook. I'll see you on that next video.